Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected President, Majlis-e-Sehat, Canada, distinguished cricket players and supportive management committee. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is my absolute honor and privilege to welcome you to the inaugural ceremony of this much anticipated Ahmadiyya Cricket Tournament. Today is not just about the start of a competition. It is a celebration of passion, discipline, teamwork, and enduring spirit of sportsmanship. To our talented cricket players, you are the heart of this tournament. Over the coming days, you will showcase not only your skills with the bat, ball, and in the field, but also your character, resilience, and respect for the game. Remember that every run matters, every wicket is earned, and every moment on the pitch is an opportunity to grow. Play hard, play fair, and play with pride. To the management team, coaches, and support staff, your tireless work behind the scenes makes events like this possible. From organizing schedules and ensuring facilities to mentoring players and upholding discipline, your contribution is invaluable. Thank you for your dedication and for shaping not just better players but better individuals. Cricket is more than a sport. It is a bond that unites us in memories, in moments of victory and defeat alike. It teaches us to stand as a team, to respect our opponents, and to rise after every fall. As we begin this tournament, let us carry forward the true spirit of cricket, integrity, camaraderie, and excellence. May the best team win, but more importantly, may everyone leave this tournament with cherished memories, new friendships, and a deeper love for the game. With that, I welcome you all once again and wish you thrilling, fair, and successful tournament. Jazakumullah.
It's a Jamaat's tradition. We start our program with recitation of the Holy Quran. I think in future this should be kept in mind. So with this, I'm going to request Akramullah Julia Sahab for recitation from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فانقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون. Translation. And hold fast all together by the rope of Allah and be not divided. And remember the favor of Allah which He bestowed upon you when you were enemies, and He united you. When you were enemies, He united you. He united your hearts in love, so that by His grace you become as brothers. And you were on the brink of a pit of fire, and He saved you. from it. Thus does Allah explain to you His commandment that you may be guided. और अल्लाह की रस्सी को सब के सब मजबूती से पकड़ो, और अल्लाह की रस्सी को सब के सब मजबूती से पकड़ो और तफरका ना करो, और अपने ऊपर अल्लाह की नेमत को याद करो जब तुम एक दूसरे के दुश्मन थे तो उसने तुम्हारे दिलों को आपस में बांध दिया और फिर उसकी नेमत से तुम भाई भाई हो गए, और तुम आग के गड्ढे के किनारे पर खड़े थे, उसने तुम्हें इससे बचा लिया। इसी तरह अल्लाह तुम्हारे लिए अपनी आयात, अपने निशानात खोल खोल कर बयान करता है ताकि शायद तुम हिदायत पाओ।
Now the introduction and the vision objective of today's program. I would like to request the Secretary Majlis Said to explain and let us know what's the purpose of it.
Jazakallah, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to welcome everybody to the inauguration draft of Ahmadiyya Cricket League. What was an idea a few weeks ago, with the grace of Allah, the prayers of Hazur Anwar, I wrote a letter to Hazur a few weeks ago requesting prayers and support from our senior management, including respected Hamid Baraj Saab, National Secretary Muriama, Major Malik Saab, President, Manchester State Canada, and the members of the ACL team is now a reality. Alhamdulillah. A lot of work has been done in the last 2 weeks. This is our first attempt to organize a league within the Jamaat, without age, without an auxiliary of the Jamaat being involved. This is a learning exercise for all of us, and there will be mistakes that we make in this process. So my first request to everybody is, this is not a cricketing exercise. We are a faith-based community. We have no business in running a cricket or a league. You really have to think about the purpose and the intent behind setting something up. If you listen to the sermons of Hazur Anwar, the messaging around brotherhood, taking care of one another, and also investing in our own health is the purpose behind this league. We want to create a bond of brotherhood. We belong to the community that resides on the principles of faith, unity, brotherhood, obedience to a leader, discipline, respect. You lose with grace, and you treat everybody with respect. If that's the purpose of this league, then inshallah, I think for me at least, as an organizer, the success of Ahmadiyya Cricket League will not be in milestones, will not be in 50s, not 100s, not in individual rankings. But if we walk out, inshallah, in a couple of months with better Ahmadis, better role models, and better friends, I think we would be marginally successful. So just think about the objective of why we're making such an effort, the support that we're getting from Jamaat, the Department of Umur Rahman, the time that people have spent, the leadership of ACL, Ahmadiyya Cricket Club, Roger Saab, Usman, and all others. There's a lot of work that has been done. So I would make sure that we remember all of us, in your prayers. As I said, this is a bit of an experiment. We also have a non-Ahmadi team playing with us. Part of the mandate from Majlis Sayyid is to promote health and sport within the Jamaat, but also to introduce Jamaat to outside communities, what we would call soft tabligh. So as players, when we walk outside and wear a jersey which says Ahmadiyya, you're not an individual at that point in time. You're representing a community which has excelled in faith, in brotherhood, and in spirit. And that's what we would like you to display on the field and off the field. We are all Ahmadis, and I think that's the moment of discipline and obedience that we would like you to endeavor. Last message to the organizers, I want to make sure that we treat everybody with transparency and openness. Every single player matters. It's not about the platinum players or the guys that will score 50s or 100s. We have 125 registered players. We want to make sure every player is heard, has a voice, and feels empowered to be part of this league. So we want to make sure that there are no issues from a management perspective of how we treat elite players versus non-elite players, regardless of their category, their age, or their interest, or their performance. We want to make sure every player feels part of this league. And lastly, again, this is your league. We're just setting this up. Please provide feedback, provide ideas for improvement, where we think you can add value, help out. Please don't be shy and assume that you're a player and we're the organizing committee. I think it's one big team. And hence, I would like to ask for prayers and forgiveness for anything that may be left outstanding. And in the name of Allah, the gracious and merciful, let this lead begin.
So now the introduction for five ACL teams. Respectively on your side.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome everybody that's here. So we're going to introduce the teams, starting from my right. The GM of the Northern Knights is. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so we'll start from this side. GM is Rizwan Mubarisov for a team named Rabba, and the pre-draft player that he picked is Mubashir Ahmed. Okay, so we're gonna move forward to the next table, and the team name. First of all, the GM is Adnan Saqib Sahib, and the team name is Prime Stars. The pre-draft player that Adnan Saqib picked is Talib Malik. And then in the middle of the room, the team name is Maple Cricket Club, and the GM name is Sajal Bali, and the pre-draft player is Abu Hassan Mohar Sahib. Sorry guys, sorry, I'm messing up that. Okay, now we're moving on to the other table, and the team name is Road Titans. The GM is Abdul Hadi Sheikh, and the pre-draft player is Ali Jima. Last but not least is Northern Knights, and the GM is Asif Rashid, and the pre-draft player is Safirul Islam. And there is a sixth team also, and the GM of Indo-Pak striker is Qasim Bhai. If you want to stand up, let's see outside team. And he did not give me. Do we have a pre-draft player with you, or are you?
No, we're all set.
You have
Just
the
here to
pre-draft
witness
pick
this.
for the whole team. Jazakallah. So this is what it is. Moving on.
Oh, मेरे नहीं
First of all, I would like to say Jazakallah to respected Mr. Malik Saab and his team, and the management team, Maud, Usman, and all of 4 or 5 individuals that is taking care of the whole this new endeavor. I just want to make sure couple of things that you all need to understand. Maud just mentioned in his opening remarks that you are an Ahmadi Muslim. We believe in a purpose, a goal, and we would like you to always that keep in mind. कोई जीतेगा, कोई हारेगा, कोई खने खां बनेगा. I'm sorry to say, कोई being चौधरी बनेगा. It doesn't reflect Jamaat Ahmadiyya. My thing is that I want you to understand this concept, that I'm an Ahmadi and I sold myself to Khalifatul Masih. I was born Ahmadi, but I become Ahmadi and I sold myself to Ahmadiyya. I have nothing, I have no favor to ask from Jamaat. I will absolutely obey the Nizam-e-Jamaat. And I want you to be very clear. Sometime these days I'm working in Amur-e-Amma, and some of my experience comes from there as well. Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya being is not a Costco card. You go and you have a Costco card. I have paid for it, and this some responsibility is Costco and some responsibility, and I will get the services. I'm an Ahmadi. I have given myself to Hazrat Masih Maud Islam. Absolute obedience has to be there. If some of you think that they are beyond this and they think that they cannot handle this thing, this is the time you may opt out from this. Because no matter what you lose, sometime abhi hoega na, koi jeet jayega, कोई आपको इख्तलाफ भी होएगा किसी से नाराजगी भी हो जाएगी. Okay, some of you say that, you know, Maud Bhai wasn't fair, this happened, that happened. If you are a member of Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, you should say, I will listen and obey, and I will not ask any question. ये नहीं है कि मैं पैसे देता हूँ जमात को, चूँकि मैंने $50 फीस दी है, इसलिए you must allow me to do this, I will run things. And this is not how it works. In Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya, yes, mushawarat is zaruri. Yes, you can give your suggestion. Yes, you can most welcome, and you know, if you have any reservation, you can come outside and tell them that this is what I think it needs to be done. But at the end of the day, the decision has to be followed in letter and spirit. So this is my request to you, that I want to be very clear, all of you, that we have this in ourselves, and that is that we are Ahmadi Muslim and we follow Imam of this age, and we follow Khalifat al-Masih, and from there we follow the Nizam-e-Jamaat in letter and spirit. Number two, there are most of our Khudam are sitting here, not all, but there are a lot of Khudam are sitting here. While we were doing this organization, there's a lot of things that you probably don't know the back end is going on. Okay? At the end of the day, I want all the Khudam specifically, they need to understand that auxiliaries within Jamaat that exist has to be respected and needs to be followed in letter and spirit as well. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोई खादम कल को अली चीमा साहब कह रहे हों कि जी आज तो जलसा सलाना है, and I have a game and I have to do this and I have to do this. None. Everything needs to be stopped. When Sadr Majlis Khudam al-Ahmadiyya is calling, you have to go. And this needs to be very, very, very clear from my side. So specifically, yes, there is no in Jamaat, there is in this setup, there is nothing difference in terms of Khudam and Ansar, but because most of you are part of the Tanzeem, I want you to understand this basic fundamental that we have to follow Tanzeem as well, and we need to follow the commandment and the rules and regulations the Majlis asked to do in anywhere during whole year. I hope you understand this. So दो चीज़ें मैंने आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की हैं. एक तो ये कि एब्सोल्यूट ओबीडियंस होनी है, एब्सोल्यूट ओबीडियंस होनी है, और अपने आप को ये जो एक जोम आजकल पैदा हो जाता है, मैं दोबारा से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, ये जोम पैदा हो जाता है जी मैंने तो पैसे दिए हैं इसलिए मुझे अच्छा खाना मिलना चाहिए, या मैं चंदा देता हूँ तो मुझे अच्छी सर्विस मिलनी चाहिए. ये कॉन्सेप्ट जमात में नहीं है. In Jamaat we just give, and we give for sake of Allah, and we do things for sake of Allah. This whole organization is for sake of Allah. Although it may be you enjoying it, you're excited, you're overwhelmed with the whole concept of it. I myself is overwhelmed with the whole concept of it. But at the end of the day, मैं आपको वाज़े करना चाहता हूँ कि absolute obedience is necessary, that needs to be done in letter and spirit. दूसरी बात जो मैंने कही है, specifically खुदाम अल-अहमदिया के हवाले से, I had a long discussion with Sadr Sahab Majlis Khudaam al-Ahmadiyya before having this whole organization. Okay, I want you to, I assured him that this exercise will not halt any activity of Majlis. So whenever Majlis needs you, whenever Majlis needs your services, you'll be there to provide that service. May Allah bless you. Jazakallah. That's it?
Let's start with the dua. I will request my boss, National Secretary Muriama, to lead us in the silent prayer. But the sports teaches us one thing: discipline. Note from my side, everything depends on discipline. Thank you. आप दुआ करा दें.
Please join me for a silent dua.
पहला इसको कॉल करें. You have to shake it. It's fine. It's not like this.
ये जो मुझे इन्होंने खेल खिलवा रहे हैं इस वक्त, क्रिकेट तो नहीं खेल रहा मैं. पहला बॉल जो मैंने पिक किया है, इसके ऊपर टीम का नाम है नॉर्दर्न नाइट्स.
Northern Knights?
Second one.
नॉर्दर्न नाइट्स सफ़ीर की है ना.
Pick number 2.
It is what?
Road Titans.
Road Tigers, yeah.
नेपल क्रिकेट क्लब.
Maple Cricket Club, number 4. Rabwa, number 4.
Last pick goes to Prime Stars.
प्राइम स्टार.
Number 5 gets 6 pick goals.
We'll explain.
We shall inshallah start the first draft pick. As you heard from the draft that was done earlier, the first team is Northern Knights.
Assalamualaikum guys. First of all, I think all you guys already
Usman
know
bhai.
the rules of the draft. If anybody does not know the rules, because we have talked about it in our different group, if anybody has any questions, now's the time to make it clear. Yes, go ahead.
Every category,
Yes.
there's gonna be draw.
Yes. So there's gonna be just like this, the draw. I mean, this time we're not gonna look at the ball, but they don't even know, so it doesn't matter, right? But we'll try to hide the ball even more.
Yeah.
So we'll have somebody, it could be anybody, who knows, right? We'll decide. So, okay, any other questions? Everything clear?
There's no trades, there's no trades, there's no swaps.
Yeah. We already spoke about it, there's no trades or the Okay, so the time has begun. We're gonna start the countdown.
Assalamualaikum. If you don't know who this guy is, please raise your hand. If you don't know who he is.
You're not missing anything.
Mansoor Baja Sahab has played for Canada Cricket under 19, has played for over 2 decades for cricket ACC as well, and he's a legend, and he is going to be here to make sure this draft is fun. When Adil Sahab and Gaurav Sahab.
They need to start the Mostly Bhai.
Then,
Okay guys, inshallah let's start the clock please.
Clock is started already. We're down to. You gotta decide it.
Sarbat Munawar.
इधर मुंह करो सरमत सरमत
So you done? Okay, so second pickup is Road Titans. Start the clock please.
or Titans is on the clock.
Mumtaz, okay. मुझे पूरा नाम तक
Mumtaz Ahmed.
Mumtaz Ahmed साहब. Start the clock please for third draft Maple Cricket Club.
Musawwir Khan.
Musawwir Khan साहब. Done, okay. Now moving on to the fourth team, Rabwa. Start the clock please. Shubhas Kiani Sahib. Okay, we're ready for the number 15 Prime Stars. Mubarak Joya Saab. So we have gone from 1 to 5 for the platinum category.
One more. Prime Stars.
No. Yeah. So Vasita hai. Okay, Vasita hai. The second turn is okay. Good. Okay. Then start the clock for Rabwa, please. Akil Anjan Sahib. Next team is Maple Cricket Club. Sami Gondal Sahib. Next team is Road Titans. Road Titans.
Hamza Chima.
Hamza Chima Sahib. Finally, the last pick for the platinum category is Northern Knights. Yasir Mahmood. So this category is done. We will have the pick ball again for the second category, which is Young Guns.
Qasim bhai.
Be careful कुछ तो शामिल हो जाओ
Qasim Islam Saab is the GM for Indo-Pak. Sir, could you close your eyes and then pick a ball?
So hey, we keep the.
Rabwa is first.
So Rabwa got the number 1 pick.
Yep.
In the. And this is under 19, right?
Under 21. Under 21.
Road Titans is number 2.
Yeah, we need the balls back. No looking.
Indo-Pak.
Maple CC.
चला
Don't look, man.
Northern Knights
Northern Knights. So Prime Stars are number 5.
Now the rounds get a little tougher since you guys don't know these kids. Where's the fifth ball?
Okay, we are in the young guns
You're
category.
in front of the camera.
GMs are ready? Okay, start the clock, please. The first team to pick is Rabwa.
This is Shahadat Dar.
Shahadat Dar Saab.
Sabahat.
Sabahat Dar Saab, yeah. Team number 2, Road Titans for young guns category, please.
Safwan.
Safwan. Ahmed, I guess.
Full name?
Mirza Dania.
Oh, you got minute 15.
We can take another pick, but
You have
Yeah.
1 minute, you have 1
Yeah,
minute.
go ahead. Yeah, take it.
चार्ट में था ही, I think. Time है. लेकिन list में देखना.
Can you
Okay,
check
this
your
is the
data?
final list.
Can you check your data if Safwan is there on your phone? Check it.
If I sent the list to them, so they should have.
एक मिनट check कर ले. I can give you another name, but
मुझे ये याद नहीं था।
Safwan Saab, do you want to stop the clock? Just when they
I
check
can
it.
on your phone check. You have the file.
This is
Check it. I can give you another name. Look, it's your pick, but yeah, fine. We don't.
Yeah, more. Says the mic has stopped working.
Okay, we'll take Sabur. Full name? Ahmed. Sabur Ahmed.
Saboor Ahmed Saab for young guns category.
Can I ask the?
You got it? Saboor Ahmed Saab. Jazakallah. Next GM is Maple Cricket Club. Farhan. Farhan Mangar Sahib. Next team for young guns category, Northern Taha Mahmood Sahib. So moving on to Prime Stars.
बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है था
Irshad Ayubi Sahib. You also have the next pick again. Yasir. Nami sir, Yasir Mansoor Sahib, the second pick by Prime Stars. You're good? I don't want to rush you. You're good. You got it? Okay, so moving backwards. Northern Knights.
Mirza Daniel.
Mirza Daniel Ahmed Sahib.
GK Center one. Yes?
The legend.
Okay.
Back to Maple
That should
Cricket
have been your
Club.
pick.
ये बाकी देर से ये लगे जो लाइट से 1 2 3 4 5 पे Daniel Ahmed, they just picked Daniel Ahmed.
They picked Mirza.
They picked the GTA Center one. Yeah.
And Irshad Khan.
Irshad Khan Sahib by Maple Cricket Club. Know where you got it?
Just got it.
इशाद खान और शाहजहां
Ji, they're two different.
Number 2, Road Titans. So this is the second last pick for young guns. Road Titans.
Waleed Ahmed.
Waleed Ahmed Sahib. Moving on to the last pick by Rabwa team for young guns category, please. So you got time. Take your time.
इनको पता है आपको ये नहीं कोई है इधर खड़ा किसी को पता है any of these three guys remaining in here
Adnan Khan, Daniel Ahmed, Kashir Mansoor Sahib. Anybody here?
Tania.
you are done here manage your coming you got
Daniel
picked
Ahmed. Jazakallah.
याद नहीं है कोई आएगा तो शायद
Young guns category is done. So now we're moving on to men.
और यार जगह बहुत कम है
six ball in it
Prime Stars.
Prime Stars get the first pick in the mentor category.
The namaz will inshallah be at 8:30, but we will start the proceedings at 8:20.
Time
After
क्या
this
हुआ?
round, I'll have to stop. The only one left will be gold after this one.
Okay, we'll take a break.
Yeah.
Rabba number 2.
Rabba
Rabba got the number 2 pick.
going on to
In the mentor.
Road Titans, number 3.
Rogue Titans number 3.
Thank you. Moving on to the next one, please.
Maple Cricket Club, number 4.
Maple CC, and last one.
So Northern Knights is number 5.
Northern Knights. Okay, guys. Jazakallah. We will now start the category of the mentors, of which I am a proud member of. Number 1 team for the draft pick, the first draft pick is Prime Stars. Numi Saab, Sikandar Zubair Saab has been picked.
1 second.
बैठ जाओ दानी.
You got it, Numi?
1 second.
Go right.
Road Titan picks Sikandar Zubair.
Yes, got it.
You got it, okay, thank you. Team number 2, Rabwa, for their mentor category, please. Ansar
Oh
Rahman
my
Asad.
God.
Thank you, sir. Team number 3, Road Titans.
Mahmood Musawwir.
Mahmood Musawwir Sahab. Yeah. Team number 4, Maple Cricket Club, please. Azhar Parwana Sahib. Everybody got it? Okay, so the last team is Northern Knights for category mentor. Shiraz Zubair Sahab. Now you also have the next pick. Adil Mahmood. Back to Maple Cricket Club. Tahir Mangal.
माशाल्लाह.
Now moving on to Road Titans.
Rabi Shakur sir.
Rabi Shakur Sahib. Yeah. Coming on to Rabwa for their second mentor category. Abrar Javed Sahib. Okay, you good? Okay. Last but not least, Prime Stars. Prime Stars gets to pick. Usman Dogar Sahib. Now, that completes the platinum, young gun, and mentor drafting, 2 players in each category. We are now moving on to the gold. Gold में क्या?
गोल्ड में कितनी ग्रेड है?
गोल्ड में 8
फिर के बाद
नमाज
8:30
नमाज कर लो।
अभी 8:15 हुआ है।
Okay, what do you guys suggest?
One second. Just 1 sec. The GM, would you like to take a break or go 5 more minutes?
Okay, break or
We're going to Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Program शुरू करने लगे हैं. Usman साहब will get the last picks going for the last category gold.
यार पिक जिन्हें भी करना अखा बंद करके कराओ बंदे को
और ऊपर करके करें ताकि नजर ना आए।
आओ बंदा पीछे है
Northern Knights, first pick.
Northern Knights gets the
नसीर साहब तूफान ही बैठना
Maple Cricket Club.
Nice.
Maple Cricket Club, second pick.
Rabwa, third.
Rabwa gets the third pick. For the last category,
Road Titans, number 4,
Road Titans,
and Prime Stars, number 5.
Prime Stars. Can we get that door closed, please, in the back?
We just got this, the new list. Can you give us some?
Yeah.
Before you start.
The list will stay on screen for you guys to look at it too. Nomi sir will try to reflect it.
This is the new list updated.
So who has the first pick?
We'll give them a minute or two, let them.
Sound's not working.
If I can request everybody to be quiet, please, so the record keeper can get the records properly done. No, we compile it. Everybody was
निकल गए हैं बस
one big. So how many people do we have, Nomi bhai?
We have to pick 40 in total, 8 per team. And the sequence is
8 people are remaining per team.
Yes, 8 people are remaining, so that means this pick will go back and forth in the snake order 8 times.
the sequence is
Yeah.
Sequence जरा बता देते हैं. Guys, James, can we? अब दोबारा पिक नहीं, ड्रॉ नहीं होगा. आपका 1 to 5, 5 to 1, अब ये बैक एंड फोर्थ चलता रहेगा. ठीक है. आपके अब 8 राउंड है गोल्ड पे. जो प्लैटिनम में 5 नहीं पिक हुए थे वो गोल्ड में आगे हैं. यंग गन्स के जो नहीं पिक हुए थे वो इधर आगे हैं. मेंटोर जो नहीं पिक हुए यहाँ पे आगे हैं. So ये this is everyone that is remaining in this.
Total आपके 80 players.
80, yes, 81. 81, okay, sorry.
They can choose 8.
They can choose 8 more.
8
more
per
per team.
GM, 40 total.
Yes.
So almost 50%. So
So let us know when
just
you're
I'm gonna
ready.
request it when you guys are ready.
Just a second.
When everybody's ready, all the GMs are ready?
Ready.
Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So
Let's start the time.
the first pick is gonna be Northern Knights for the gold category.
Ramesh Ahmed.
Ramesh Ahmed, Nomi bhai. Okay, second pick is Maple Cricket Club. Tosif Ahmed? Tosif Ahmed, Nomi bhai.
No.
Third pick is
Guys,
Rabwa.
comments? No comments from the.
Nasser Siddiqui Saab. Fourth pick is Road Titans.
Asad Buttar.
Asad Buttar Sahib. Last but not least, Prime Stars.
Rana Jamshed.
Rana Jamshed Sahib for Prime Stars. You also have the next pick.
Shakil Guman.
Shakil Gumman Saab. So now we go backwards. The next is Road Titans.
Abdul Sami.
Abdul Sami Sahib. Bhai, we're good? Yes. Thank you. Next pick is by Rabwa team. Zargam Nasir, yeah. Next pick is Maple Cricket Club.
Sajid Mangat.
Sajid Mangat Sahib. Coming back to the first in the snake reverse order, Northern Knights.
Ittisam. And second is.
Yeah, one second.
One second.
One.
I have to.
One second. You have the here, Anubhav?
With the fifth one.
We have the two.
Okay, I'll explain 1 second. Give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds. Nomibhai, let me know when you have it.
checking for Ittisam. Swami, Ittisam is not in the list. Ittisam is not in the list.
But he is right here.
He has registered. He's in the main list.
एक second. Adil, check your payment list for Ittisam.
Ittisam checked out. Yes, he is
He is.
in the list.
list you shared earlier, like 10 minutes ago, his name was in there. Yes.
It goes in snake order, 1 to 5, 5 to 1, then 1 to 5, then 5 to 1. That's how it goes. So when you had 2, it was number 5.
Okay.
You work backwards, go to number 1, then number 1 again.
Okay.
So now Northern Knights get to pick again.
Ibtisam and Talha.
Talha jo hai saab, please. Nami bhai. You got it? Yeah. No, sorry, hold on. Talha Shafqat, Talha jo hai.
Same.
So back to Maple Cricket Club, please. Maple Cricket Club. Daniel Mangar sahib. Okay, now we're at Rabwa team. Wadood Awan sahib. Jazakallah. Going back to Road Titans.
Lubid Rana.
Asad Bali sahib, please. Now we're back to you, Prime Star. You go ahead.
Tayyab Mirza sahab.
Tayyib Mirza sahib, the 5th. And now the snake order.
Tamoor Chaudhary.
Taimoor Chaudhary sahib. Okay, now we're going backwards. Road Titans, please. Road Titans. Road Titans.
Bilal Khan.
Bilal Khan sahib. Back to Rabwa, please.
Haseeb Bajwa.
Haseeb Bajwa sahib.
Ahmad Haseeb Arshad. Second number. Yeah, Haseeb Arshad. Ahmad Haseeb Arshad.
My side up. I should go up, I think.
नहीं दानिश भट्ट नहीं होता
More. There. Ahmed Haseeb. Jazakallah. Now we're going to. Sorry, I forgot to go backwards. Maple Cricket Club.
Amir Bandesha.
Jazakallah. Now we're with Northern Knights.
Danish Bhatt.
Danish Bhatt Sahib. And pick again, please.
Hamza Tahir.
Hamza Tahir Sahib.
हमजा हो हमजा तार कौन
Okay. Now we're going backward. Now it's Maple Cricket Club.
Haroon Mohar.
Haroon Mohar Sahib.
हाँ इधर निकल रहा
Okay. Rabwa, please.
हारिस तो निकल
Take your time, don't let me rush you. You got lots of time. Iman Munawwar Sahib, please. Okay, now we're getting to
उसामा का
Road Titans.
उसामा ये वो मलक है
Lukman Ahmed.
Lukman Ahmed Sahib.
अरे अली राजा
Ahmed Ecom.
Now we're going to Price Stars, but you pick 2.
Numan Ahmed sahab.
Numan Ahmed Sahib.
कौन से? अच्छा Nomi. There's two Noman Ahmed.
And pick again, please.
And Waqas Mohar.
Waqas Mohar Sahib. Okay, we're good. We're going backwards
Vicky
now.
Jan?
Road Titans. Road Titans. Are they picked?
Wadood Awan.
हो गया
I think that has been picked. I remember that. Waduda one.
हो गया
Oh, he's been picked.
सजावट
Ali Raja.
Sorry, what name again?
Ali Raja.
Ali Raja Sahib. Okay, now we're back to Rabwa.
Naveed Rana.
Naveed Rana Sahib.
लबीद
Labid Rana Sahib. Labid. Yeah. Now we're at Maple Cricket Club.
We have Atif Khan.
Atif Khan sir.
Yeah, Atif Mahmood.
Atif Mahmood sir.
No, the
Okay, now we're back to Northern Nights.
Irfan Zahid.
Irfan Zahid Saab from Northern Nights. And pick again please.
Sultan Bashir.
Sultan Bashir sir. Numi bhai. Numi bhai. Sultan Bashir sir. Back to Maple Cricket Club. Maple Cricket Club. Kamran Bhatti Saab from Maple Cricket Club. Next we're going on to Rabwa. Asif Malik Sahib. Moving on to Road Titans. Take your time. Quiet
खुद
please.
का हेलो सामा
Tahir
playing.
Mirza Sahib. Going on to Prime Stars.
पता नहीं,
Just
हाँ,
so
ये
you know,
खेलते
Prime
हैं।
Stars, this will be your last pick for both players.
किसकी है
Prime Stars.
Sajjad Zubair sir.
First pick is Sajjad Zubair Sahib, Mumbai. And
Lukman CP.
Lukman CPA, yes, yeah. Okay, so you guys are done.
You're in the center.
Mashallah, moving on to Road Titans. This is last pick for every team.
Can we have two reserves?
Road Titans, last pick, please. Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahim.
Oh,
Abdul Rahim. Just quiet, please, yeah. Rahim Sheikh sir, right? Rahim Sheikh sir, you meant? Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, now moving on to Rabwa. Last pick from Rabwa, from this category. Ji.
Kashif Sayyid.
Kashif Sayyid sir. Sayyid or Sayyid? Sayyid sir. Kashif Sayyid sir. For who? Kashif Sayyid.
एक मिनट मेरा कख भी नहीं करना कि नहीं काशिफ सही
He has his Kashif Sayyid. Guys, can I just please?
Guys.
Can you please stay quiet?
Do you have a
अदान भाई हारिस नहीं हुआ नहीं हुआ हारिस
Sorry, Rabwa team, would you guys like to pick somebody else?
वो पिक की तो मैं तो सामने तेरा बड़ा बैट्समैन है मैं वो अपनी म्यूट कर फील्डर भी चल रहा उत्थे जेडी शॉट टच में चौका है
Guys, quiet please. अभी कोई नहीं नोमी ये लिस्ट है on the right hand side. ओन ग्राया. Jazakallah. Maple Cricket Club, last pick please. I think that name is nice.
No, he didn't get picked yet.
Okay.
It was Haroon Mahar.
Okay guys, last Northern Nights. Working the outside. No, that's not him.
इम्तियाज सरा
Usman?
So the draft is complete.
थोड़ा हो गया है
So has everyone picked?
Yes. So he's just gonna make a say.
Big second. Who's here in the room that is less than 23 and has not been picked? Except for Anakash. Lovely. Who's in the room that is less than 23 that's not picked? You guys are all picked?
I'm 24.
You're 24.
Pick one.
Who's less than 25 and hasn't been picked?
मुबारक जो ये था
45 नहीं क्या ना 45.
What we want to do is get our kids to be part of this. So we need to make sure, okay, so we're gonna bring one more round in, but we want you to pick players who are less than 25, please.
How do they know?
Okay?
We have a list
Less than 25.
We have a list of under 21. Can we start? Can we start? No.
But before we start, there's a special pick, which is a commissioner's pick. I'm asking Elisa to make that special pick.
Yeah, it's Rana Akash.
Accept him.
So the commissioner's pick is Rana Akash from Maple Cricket Club. So we're gonna take a bit of time, and I do have date of birth data, so let's give us 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
We want the actual youngsters to be part of this. Alhamdulillah, we have many mentors. We have many guys who are in their 30s and 40s.
Done.
So let's get some kids playing. Take it?
And 15.
We're gonna do one more round. This one more round does not have an age restriction, but I'm recommending pick someone, but it's an open, you can pick anyone. And after this, by tomorrow, we'll send you the reserves of kids that are 25 and less. This is an open. This is your spot. You can have another round.
I will send his.
No, let's just.
He's playing K25.
Official.
They said send them.
Same
Yes, I will send. I will send your name.
Yasir Ahmed.
Guys, decorum, please, only the GMs. Guys, sit down, one more. Let's just go.
Yeah, one last round. Northern Knights.
We have
Naseeb by. It counts as one or two?
This is not reserves, this is squad. Okay.
No, this is
Squad.
any category, any age.
I have recommended that you should, but it's open.
How do they get it?
Because same order, same goal. Second and yours.
3, 4.
Which players are left on the screen?
Guys, 8 seconds. Only GMs at the table, first of all. Let's follow, please. Danyan.
Okay, then is our pick now?
Maple Cricket Club's pick.
We are picking in the same sequence.
It's going
Come to
on.
Bharat.
It is.
Same sequence.
Lukman Ahmed.
He's been picked.
CPA, the other
Other one out, yeah, he's both.
That's what I'm saying. That's big.
हो गया लोग तीनों ने pick किया.
नहीं, these
Who's
three-
left? Who's left? Know me? Who's left?
This is your list. Where?
8 seconds. Guys, 8 seconds.
Take names and you're gonna be picked.
So go ahead.
8 seconds. Nomi will display the players that are left. So,
चौथी पिक
the first name on top is a wicket-keeper batsman, Adnan Ahmed Kassar.
Oh, he's a good.
Want to know? This guy's not picked.
आमिर बदेशा हो गया.
We cannot remember each other.
दानिश भट्ट.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next guy, and we'll come back to you guys after.
No, we have 96. Okay, guys, please just calm down. It's okay, no worries.
तैयब हो गया. तैयब हो गया इधर. नहीं तैयब किया.
Fonse.
90 सेकंड हो गए.
Bravo. Fonse doesn't fit there.
Funny.
Fonse.
Funny. He's not in the.
He retired from cricket. Good. Pick multiply, easy. If you pick him, he's coming back. He's come back from it. He's
Is that a
gonna
basket time?
basket.
We can come back to you.
Yeah, Wadu's done.
Okay, you guys decide, we'll come back.
We'll come back to
Is
you.
that
Police side.
Wait. Your turn is not here yet.
Waleed हो गया पे.
Move forward now, okay?
No. We need to go.
No, अभी वो उनकी पिक है ना. बस वो उधर की रिकॉर्ड है. We're gonna mix it up.
Last pick कर दो.
Okay, guys, that's it. We're not gonna finish with that.
Yeah, Saman's very good.
So thank you.
He's playing T20.
No, we're not doing the last pick. Too much condition. No, because they took long and now it's running.
Take our name.
If we're gonna move, here's the pick.
Yes. पहले जो था कि जी जो कह रहे हैं उनको मान लें. हमने जो पहले नहीं राय साहब ने कहा सारा. So we tried it.
Yes.
What we'll do with the GMs offline, we'll give you tomorrow. You'll have the data. You can pick based on that reserves.
So we have names right now.
No, this is done.
Okay, just to be fair, here's the thing, okay guys. Right now, it's gonna be.
मैं उसको बता दूंगा.
Now it's not confidence, but I don't want to. Bro, you guys took too long. I would say we're moving on. And you said.